There's nothing in the background. Not worth seeing. Anyway, I'm rambling. What's good? It's your boy. Once again, always getting in the car, introducing himself, Georgia Giant 07, with another video. I ain't even do my zoom in, zoom out. Never mind, don't worry about it. All right, so today, new video, of course. First time checking, go ahead, subscribe, like this video. I'm rushing right now because I'm running behind. But today, I'm gonna get ready to link up with Georgia Boy, aka Boomnsoundz. He's gonna hook up my sounds in the trunk of the car. So hopefully got everything, and you can see how he does it. He does a lot of other stuff. I'll let him explain it, but right now we gotta go. Let's see what we're working with. Booming or boom. Now he said this is all I need. So we're gonna see. So amp, speaker, wires. He said this is horrible. Just don't buy this. I'm hungry, but I bought it. But don't buy this. This is very nasty. But we have him here at Boomnsoundz, aka Georgia Boy crib, where he does the mad scientist. If you look at my old videos, he also did my halo lights, and it's right here. So now I think it's his first thing he's doing on my new car. Shouldn't take too much long. I'm keeping my stock head unit in the car. I'm still I'm keeping the stock radio in the car. I don't want to replace it. I like it. It's got everything I need on it. So now we're just waiting for him. Cornets, they never done me wrong. I always heard. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about.
Dang, brand new still?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And I've been hauling this around the trunk for about 2 years.
Stop club, man.
Hey, shh. Seats down now after we got everything out. I ain't trying to beat down the block. I'm just trying to, you know, give me a little rattle. Nah, you trip over it's going on. Still ain't got a toolbox yet. I guess I'm still not a adult. One day I'll grow up. Oh, what you doing? Oh, you gotta get to the speakers?
Yeah, man.
Ah, shit. That's when you start taking shit apart now. We're gonna see.
I mean, shit is what it is.
So you running these cables from the speaker and up here?
Yeah.
And then that's gonna go to where?
These right here, tap it to your speakers up here and shit.
Okay. So if y'all ever feel like it's fucked up, check that fuse first.
Check the fuse. Or if your radio shit don't come on all, check your radio fuse and shit. It could be blown. Then, you know, switch it out. Boom. Voila. You good to go.
The fact that you're losing tools will not go well on your Yelp review.
Check it. I got 0 stars either.
0 star? Oh, it can only go up from there. So, so what? You said which one might not be a good enough ground? You talking about that red boat? That one?
Yeah, no.
Oh, the one to the right?
To it, yeah. Usually, it'll break the connection. It'll scratch the paint and make you know.
Alright, make sure. Wait, so this got power right now? The end I got?
Yeah, I might want to put it down.
What if it touch your earring?
I don't want to take it outside. I'll be alright.
So what now? It's the adapter piece.
Converter.
Converter piece.
Line out converter.
So, and that's going to go from the wires with the speaker.
Well, you know something, don't you, bro?
They just look alike, that's all. That's the other thing. Negative, positive. I know it's left from his right. So supplies are down for Boomnsoundz due to COVID-19?
Yeah, COVID-19.
Okay. Any idea when y'all gonna restock? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, this. So amp is attached, converter, speakers in. Now I gotta connect, and then the bloom bloom and the boom boom happen or something like that. I don't know. You know, that's chapter 6 of 2020. It's gonna be snowing in June. Don't cry. Hey.
Yeah, make the man cry.
Pound it. Oh man.
Yeah, nigga, make him cry.
I don't want you to fall. Boomnsoundz. First of all, let me say it like this. Let me say, we joking, we bullshit whenever he doing this, calling him mad scientist and stuff, but he actually does know what he's doing.
All the time.
But I have to be a little bit more animated for the video to be worth looking at. So don't let the video be the true judgment of his work. His work is always valid. He's good to go. I'm out of breath.
But man, COVID. COVID-19.
6 feet, yeah. Stay right there. But tell him about it.
Paint job, wrap job, interior underbody, audio,
Lights.
basically, you know, just a simple modification.
You start to stab me with that. But if you got any things, and it's a Facebook and it's an Instagram.
Yeah, Boomnsoundz on Facebook, and same thing on IG, Boomnsoundz.
All right.
If you can't follow me, find me on there. Find me at Burn Rubber 85, and then follow me at Boomnsoundz or whatever.
And also the Maniac Rider page, you can always hit them up. Get in contact and come get your work done. Ignore the mess. Alright, I'm in a random parking lot, so let me chill out with it. But yeah, I'm trying to wrap the video up together. The video was just a little quick one. Once again, I'm trying to update every time it's an upgrade on the video or on the car or anything to bring to the channel. Once again, you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment below and tell me what you think, or any type of solution. Anything that you can give to me to help contribute, yeah, I'll take it, trust and believe. But system is hooked up. Also, I did get my mid-muffler delete. Prior to all of this, I got some clips I might insert right about. But yeah, so I did do the mid-muffler delete, and overall it definitely has a sound, but I'm going to get the resonators next. Probably next after that, after the speakers, probably be spoiler, and then it's gonna go towards rapping, and it's gonna go towards lights, and then it's gonna go towards brake calipers. It's a lot, but it's gonna be a video for everything. Appreciate y'all for watching. I hope all of this get edited and chopped up to at least make sense to you. But yeah, I had to do this close out because when I got the speakers hooked up, that was Mother's Day. Happy late Mother's Day to all the mothers, all mother figures in the world. That sounds bad, mother figures. Y'all know what I meant though. All right, so, but once again, it's your boy George John 07. I'm checking out. Stay safe. Bet.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.